Many said that if you want to have a good gaming PC, you have to spend a great amount of money. However, on today's video, we have listed some affordable gaming PC in 2020 that can be your options if you are under a budget. HP Omen 25L. This gaming PC from HP comes with AMD configurations. You can also combine this PC with an Nvidia RTX line up to an RTX 2070 Super GPU. Even though the price of this gaming PC is almost the same as other quite expensive gaming PC, it has more memory and a lot more storage capacity, which is a great deal. MSI Trident 9. This small gaming PC has a lot of power. It also comes with 9th generations Intel Core processor and the best Nvidia RTX and GTX graphics. It also considered cheaper as it comes with Intel Core i7 plus RTX 2060 Super plus 16GB RAM configuration setting. Dell G5. This gaming PC from Dell is packed with 9th generations Intel chips as well as Nvidia GTX and RTX graphic card, starting with an i3 processor and the GTX 1650. In addition, its VR-ready configurations are also on hand. HP Omen Obelix. This affordable gaming PC from HP is known for its lower price and its decent specs. You can also customize your gaming PC before you buy it. That definitely will not cost much either. Intel Ghost Canyon and UC. This gaming PC from Intel comes with a RAM and a grid storage. It is also highly configurable so you can personalize it to your liking. The performance of this gaming PC is supported by 9th generations Intel Core chips, up to 64GB of memory and up to 4TB dual storage.